together, hand in hand, building futures, taking a stand. We educate, we create, open doors, we innovate. We got you, we like the way, helping students reach each day. Entrepreneur spirit, strong and bright. Relationships that lift to new heights. College bound, we got you in sight.
Thank you so much. My name is Sharice White. I am the founder of ECIER Foundation, and we just wanted to just personally come in and say thank you so much. And this is
Scott G.T. Sloan, and I'm the president of ECIER Foundation, and we want you to give yourselves a great big hand for being here this evening.
For this is Mr. Braylon Chapin. Braylon received 2 scholarships from us last year, and all his life he wanted to be an airline pilot, so he is going to aviation school in Houston, Texas. And Eric, raise your hand. Eric, raise your hand. Eric is our board member who lives in Houston, Texas, and he thought it was important for Braylon to be here because he is featured on the documentary you're going to see, so he flew him out here to be here today. So we wanted you to see the fruits of our labor of what we do, and also give a round of applause for Miss Rachel. And Rachel is with Imagine Theater with the company, but their corporate office, and we've been working on this project for the last 2 years.
I'm Robert Johnson. I'm president of SimCorp. I just wanted to let you know that I think that this whole event was extraordinary. It was organized to the nth degree. It was executed perfectly.
The movie was fantastic. The organization is just fabulous. They were dressed very well. We really had a real good time. And we support this cause. Whenever something comes up, she calls on us, and we try to make sure we're there. Thank you.
It was fantastic. I would come again for a second, third time showing if they had it. I loved it that much. The school puts on a fantastic fundraiser, and I will be back next year.
It was enjoyable. Michael Jackson is such a great example of the skill and talent that comes out of Gary, Indiana. It didn't stop with Michael Jackson. It didn't start with Michael Jackson. Gary, Indiana.
This is amazing. You must come see it. Come see Michael. Unbelievable. It is amazing. And we are so thankful for the foundation, for helping the kids with scholarships. This is amazing. Come see it. Come support. Thank you.